Section 800.52 ATWO, titled Other Applications, pertains to the installation of communications cables within enclosures, such as cabinets. This section provides guidelines for managing communications and data cables within these confined spaces according to the National Electrical Code. This interpretation aligns with the understanding that the section addresses scenarios where communications cables are routed or terminated inside enclosures. Exception number 1 to Section 800.52 provides specific allowances for the commingling of different types of circuits under certain conditions. The intent of exception number 1 is that all the conductors listed, which include electric light, power, class 1, non-power limited fire alarm, and medium power network powered broadband communication circuits, can be installed together, provided they meet one of two conditions. Firstly, all of the conductors of the electric light, power, class 1, non-power limited fire alarm, and medium power network powered broadband communications circuits are in a raceway or metal sheet, metal-clad, non-metallic sheet type AC or type UF cables. Secondly, all of the conductors of communications circuits are encased in raceway. In simpler terms, all of the specified conductors can be grouped together if they are all within a raceway, or if they are all within an approved cable type like metal sheet, metal-clad, non-metallic sheet type AC, or type UF. If these conditions are met, the different types of circuits can occupy the same space. This exception provides flexibility in how these circuits are installed, allowing for combined routing of power and communication cables when properly protected. It is imperative to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable requirements of the National Electrical Code, including proper bonding and grounding. Proper installation practices are paramount to maintain electrical safety and prevent potential hazards.